Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to delete Google Drive history or Google Drive recent or activities you can say. So if you talk about the recent, so this is recent you use. This is the history we have used. Okay, so today I have used this file. I have opened this file, and earlier this week in this week I have edited this file. Okay, so in the recent tab you will find all your history, or you can say recent work or file. So if you want to delete it, you can't delete only history, but you can delete file. Okay, if you select any file and if you try to delete it, so here you can see it will be moved to trash, means it is already, it is all original file also deleted. Okay, so when you delete by mistake, you can see the file here. You can restore it, but if you try to delete from recent, I just make it a file. Okay, list. So here you can see today I have used this all file. So you can delete, but if you want to delete this, just select any file, just hit the control hit the shift button and just hit the down arrow, then all file will be selected, or just hit the alt and a to select all, control and a, then all file will be selected. Now can easily delete from here and it will be moved to trash, and you can delete from there also, but just remind all original file will be deleted. So if you want to delete the Google Drive activities only, so there is a one option. Just click on your profile photo, go to the manage your Google account. Okay, and here you can have to just go to the my activities. My activities, and here you can see all app activities. Just click on it, and here you can see drive activities, Google Drive activities. So here you can see all Google Drive activities here. Okay, okay, the AdSense activities, I think. Go to the Google Drive activities, view all. You can delete, click on delete, select all time, and find the Google Drive. I don't have Google Drive here because, okay, see, in history, in this history Google Drive not include, I think. So you can delete history from here also, so maybe they can help you. Okay, I don't have Google Drive here. Okay, so in recent tab it can't be remove it, but you can remove the file, but it will be delete original file. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.